Besides the union keyword, there are a couple of other keywords that we use to work with multiple sets of data. Whenever I use the term multiple sets, I'm essentially saying the result of multiple different queries. So we made use of union to join together the results of two different queries, and it also removed duplicated rows. We also took a look at union all, which also meant join together the result of two queries, but that did not remove duplicate rows. In this video, we're going to focus on intersect. We make use of the intersect keyword to take a look at two different queries, and it will give us back rows that are common in the results of both of those queries. So intersect means give us rows that are common. Let's try this out. To test out intersect, we're going to first write out the same query that we wrote just a moment ago, where we found the 4 most expensive products and the 4 products with the highest price to weight ratio. So same thing we had before, just to get us started. So I'm going to put in a set of parentheses, and we'll do a select star from products, order by price, descending, and then only show us the first 4 records. Then for right now, we'll do a union once again. And then the second one will be a select star from products. We will order by price divided by weight, descending. And again, limit 4. So this is what we had just a moment ago. If we run this, we will see once again, we get back only 7 results, even though we kind of expect to see back 8. We expect to see 8 because we asked for 4 records from the first one and 4 from the second one. Because we only see 7, that means that the union keyword must have deleted 1 duplicate entry here. As we saw, we could find that duplicate entry by doing a union all, and then manually looking at our results set, and we can see that the ID 7 is duplicated in here. Now, if we wanted to programmatically find the rows that are duplicated or common to both these queries, instead of doing a union or a union all, we can instead do an intersect. So again, an intersect is going to show us only rows that are common to both. Now we can run this, and sure enough, we get only the row with ID 7, because only that row was common to the result of this query and this query. Now there is a variant of intersect all. Once again, that is not going to remove any duplicate records, but in this case, it's got a slightly different meaning. When we think about intersect is going to find rows that are present here and here. And so you might think that if we put on intersect all, we would expect to see row with ID 7 twice. That is not the case. Instead, we are only going to see intersect all expand this if we see row with ID 7 appear more than once here and more than once here. So if we just put on intersect all and then run that query again, we still get the same result. And it's because, again, the all in this case means that we are going to see that row multiple times, either here or there, not once here and once here. Okay, so that's intersect. So just one other keyword that we're going to discuss in the last video, except. So quick pause, and we'll take a look at that in just a moment.